Reuters, Wall Street was set to open lower on Friday, weighed down by fears of an escalating trade conflict between the United States and China, but a lower than expected March jobs data eased some concerns over aggressive interest rates hikes. Global stock markets edged downward after President Donald Trump threatened to slap an additional $100 billion in tariffs on Chinese goods, and Beijing warned it would fight back a euro at any cost with fresh trade measures. Shares of Boeing, BAN, the single largest U.S. exporter to China, fell 2%, leading losses among big U.S. manufacturers. Caterpillar fell 1.6% and Deere, DEN, dropped about 1%. Eurosur, this may be a negotiation tactic, but how does this all play out is the nervousness, and with the extreme volatility that we Euro trademark re-seeing, people are nervous about holding on to decisions, Euro said Robert Pavlik, Chief Investment Strategist and Senior Portfolio Manager at Slatestone Wealth LLC in New York. Facebook, FBO, Amazon, AMZNO, Netflix, NFLXO, and Alphabet, GOOGLO, the FANG Group, were down between 0.9% and 1.5%, while Apple, AAPLO, fell 0.9%. Chip makers, which as a group rely on China for about a quarter of their revenue, also declined. The list of decliners were similar to Wednesday Euro trademark S, when the United States and China announced tariffs on $50 billion of each other's Euro trademark imports. Non-farm payrolls increased by 103,000 last month, the Labor Department said, the fewest in 6 months, but a pickup in wage gains pointed to a tightening labor market. Economists polled by Reuters had forecast the economy adding 193,000 jobs. Average hourly earnings rose 8 cents or 0.3% last month, above the expected 0.2% increase. The unemployment rate held steady at 4.1% for a sixth straight month. Euro trademark S not showing us wage inflation where the Fed would have to step in. This seems to be a natural improvement, Euro said Sean Lynch, CO head of Global Equity Strategy, Wells Fargo Investment Institute in Omaha, Nebraska. At 8:49 a.m. ET, Dow E-minis 1 YMC1 were down 195 points, or 0.8%. S&P 500 E-minis ESC1 were down 18 points, or 0.68%, and Nasdaq 100 E-minis NQC1 were down 49.75 points, or 0.75%. Investors will also tune into Fed Chairman Jerome Powell Euro trademark S speech at an event later in the day for signs the central bank could raise rates more than the expected 2 more times this year.